guys, it's your girl Zoeshaaa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you can obviously tell what I'm going to be talking about. I was contacted by Firmoo again to do another review on another pair of glasses. I am super excited because if you had watched my first Firmoo glasses review, you guys would have known how much I loved their product. Like, I absolutely loved the quality of the glasses, and I wasn't just saying that because they sent it to me, which is why I agreed to do another review video for them, because I genuinely like this company. And y'all know I keep it 100% real because I have been honest in other reviews in regards to companies, how they've treated me, their customer service, what I thought about their items, stuff like that. I ain't gonna mislead you guys. When it comes to you guys spending your money, I'm never gonna mislead you guys because I don't want anybody to mislead me. So if you're interested in glasses and you're looking for something more affordable, you'll definitely want to stay tuned and continue watching this video if you haven't already seen my first review. So let's get into the video, shall we? All right, so as I said, Firmoo, the online optical store, contacted me again and they were like, hey girl, can you review another pair of glasses for us? And then also there's obviously a coupon code for you guys to go on and get yourself a pair of glasses. There's no glasses on the site that cost more than $39.99. And when I tell y'all I get emails on a daily because I have glasses in my cart waiting to, like, you know, go on sale or whatever. Like, some of my glasses right now are on sale for $12.99. Okay, and my customer service care guy, Jack, big up yourself, Jack. Like, he was so helpful. They're always so helpful. I ended up going to Florida, so I missed when my package came. And then they ended up sending it to a place where I could pick it up that was way closer to my house. Like, when I say close, like, I mean like walking distance close. So that was super helpful, and they let me know that they sent it to that location. But when I'm ready to pick it up, I can go there and get it. And he was very understanding. Like, they were very understanding in regards to, like, my timeline. The fact that I was just coming back from a trip. They were like, you know, take your time, whatever the case may be. Like, they're just really cool and understanding individuals. So again, if you're looking for companies who have great customer service, I mean, like, they get back to you within a matter of hours. It says 24 hours, I think, on the email, like 24 to 48 hours, but they're very, very prompt, and I really, really appreciate that. Now let's get into the fun part. Oh my God, I'm super excited. So, for us in Canada, they do their shipping and stuff through UPS. So I got that from UPS, and then when you get the package and you open it, it comes in another little package, like so. Yeah. And I guess that it just has the product number. I guess that's what it is on it. And then you open it, and then it comes in another little case that says Firmoo Global Online Optical Store. Sales update every day, no more than $39. I was not lying to y'all. They post that everywhere. No more than $39. Ooh, I got the same glasses case that I did the last time. It's like a little map on it. I know there's different ones because I know Sammy Sandy Day. There's another YouTuber on here that I watch. That's Zoeshaaa. She's from Toronto. She also recently did a review on these as well. So everyone's kind of case is kind of different, which is cool too. So, and then y'all know how much I loved the last time that they include this cute little emergency kit packet with your glasses that comes with the little part that you can put on your nose. You know, the little thingy that goes right here when you're wearing your glasses. They also come with little screws of different sizes for missing screws that you may get in your glasses, and you also get the little screwdriver thingy here that helps you to screw them on. I thought that that was very thoughtful and cool of Firmoo to do and include, because there's many times your glasses fall. Let me not even get into that stuff, okay? But yeah, your glasses will fall apart. You guys, I have been waiting for glasses in this color. Like, I have been waiting. It was so hard for me to choose which glasses I wanted. Like, no, I'm gonna have to use the coupon code and go get myself another pair of glasses. Okay? So, the glasses that I got this time are these beauties. They're these cute, clear, and gold aviators. Like, I absolutely love them. Let me put them on for you. Yes, goody! I mean, say new glasses, I know glasses, semi. Up. Oh, looks so authentic. No, sir. No, these are bad. And I'm so mad that it's winter and I can't really get to live in my frames, you know? But what's that? They're my glasses and they're cute. They're just so cute. Like, they're cute. No, thumbs up if you like the glasses, you guys. There were another pair like this. Not like this, but the same gold and clear it was so hard for me to choose from, but I'm like, you know what, I'll just get one right now and I'll go back and I'll get the other one, you know, put that in my car and wait till I get a little email that says your glasses are on sale. Although $39 is not that much because compared to a lot of other online glasses stores that the quality is just like what you can get at like any other regular store for like $5. So like the glasses, like honestly you guys, when I say the glasses quality, like, you know, some glasses you just open them flimsy, like these ones you can feel the quality, you can feel the difference in them. Like they are worth every single penny. And as I said, some of the glasses are already on sale. Like the $39.99 is the most you're gonna be paying for a pair of glasses. The most you're gonna be paying for a pair of glasses. So imagine the price range. You get what I'm saying? So they have so many different ways that you can try on glasses. You can upload a picture on the site and try on the glasses that way. If you have medicated glasses like myself, like if you actually wear prescription glasses, you can get your prescription and put them in onto the website and you can get these glasses made into prescription glasses. Where they do that at? FirmooOnlineOpticalStore.com. Go there. Like, if they reach out to me one more time, you guys, and y'all don't be going and getting these glasses, I'm gonna have to come through the screen and come for y'all because I don't know what you guys are waiting for. Like, it's my job to come to y'all and tell y'all about the goodness that y'all don't be knowing about or missing out on. So go to Firmoo and get y'all a pair of glasses. And again, I'm not just saying this because they sent me the glasses and asked me to do the review. This is my second video. I'm like genuinely in love with this company. Like I love everything about them. So yeah, so they provided me with the coupon code. I'm gonna leave all the information in regards to the coupon code down below, what the promotion is on the glasses right now, and I will also leave a link to the first pair of glasses that I got from Firmoo as well. So if you guys are interested, please take advantage of the coupon code. Go onto the site, tell them I sent you over there. You know what I mean? Try on a pair of glasses. Again, if you have prescription glasses and you don't know what your prescription is, go to an eye doctor. They will be able to provide that information to you, and it's easy as 1, 2, 3. You just go in, put in the information, boom, you got yourself a cute pair of prescription glasses. Because if we go pull out the glasses, then when me wear right now, me need to actually see, wanna laugh after me. Like, you guys would laugh after me because those glasses are hideous. So that's gonna be my next thing to do, is go on and actually get a prescription glasses. And when I do that, I will come back and show them to you guys. They have so many different options for like lenses, like anti-scratch, like the type that will block out the sun in a different type of way. You know, I'm not really good with terms and them someday, but all of that stuff. And even on the side, like the glasses are in different sizes. So if you have like a smaller face, you can get smaller frames. If you have a larger face, you can get a larger frame. They have glasses for everybody, guys as well. So if you don't even want a pair of glasses, or you know a guy who needs a pair of glasses, you have children, go on the website. Go onto Firmoo.com. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box below if it isn't already on the screen. And again, let me know if you guys get it yourself a pair of glasses, and go check out the other people who I mentioned that did reviews on the glasses as well. They're all over YouTube because they're very, very popular, and there's a reason why. Okay, there's a reason why. They're very, very good at what they do. I hope you guys love my glasses as much as I do. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe so that you get to see other videos from me. And also click the notification bell so that you don't miss another video from yours truly. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. Love you.
She say it for me alone, me alone. Rebel your name, gyal, bad you bad. Rebel your name, gyal, bad you bad. Rebel your name, gyal, bad you bad. Yeah, come wind up your pretty. up your body, girl. Baby, no licky licky.